there, this is Jennifer with Lemongrass Spa Products. Just going through my normal face care routine and sharing with you a review on the products one at a time. So right now I'm at the Vitamin C Serum, and this has plant stem cells in it along with vitamin C that has been just a game changer for so many people. I have been using it regularly and noticing that my skin is a little bit tighter as I use it, especially when it's on. But I think even as it sinks into the skin and you're using it on a regular basis, it's just so helpful. I wanted to read a couple of the reviews that we've gotten just from our very own consultants. We have our own Facebook group that we get to talk about the products in, ask each other for help with things. And one person said she used it on her stomach. She was noticing some stretch marks and scarring and things like that. And I want to use her. She said she has bad scarring and stretch marks after 3 kids. And I can totally understand that. Been there, done that. She said she wasn't really expecting much. So I'm looking at her own words. Wasn't expecting much, but she wanted to give it a try. And she was 3 days in, and she said she can already tell an incredible difference, that's her word, on her stretch marks and the elasticity in her skin. So she said she's been feeling ashamed of her stomach for a long time, and she's finally starting to see some improvement. So what an amazing testimonial for this product, the Vitamin C Serum. So not just for your face, anywhere that you're having problems. Some of the other things that people have been talking about, one thing that really stood out to me is cold sores. One of my children battles cold sores as well, and several consultants said that they battle cold sores, and when they put this on along with some of our tea tree product, we have a tea tree essential oil, and not everyone said they combined both of those. Some said they just used this, and it really helps it heal so much faster, even than some of the over-the-counter products that have worked in the past. So reading directly out of our catalog, it's enriched with vitamin C and plant stem cells and the hyaluronic acid. I don't know why that one gives me such a problem every time I try to say it. You can kind of think about it as a daily multivitamin for your skin that revives your complexion, rebuilds elasticity, helps retain hydration, and promotes healthy collagen production. So if you're looking for some of those benefits for your skin, try out the Vitamin C Serum. Just give me a buzz, send me a message if you have any questions.